piano.
Oh.
But it broke.
But the water is so strong it broke it.
Okay, now we have to make like a smooth, like, well, make it smooth. Yeah. We'll make this castle. Okay? Ready? Okay, we're gonna put the castle.
1, 2, 3. Is it gonna work?
Is it
I don't know. Is that
teamwork?
You ready?
Yes, ready.
Going slowly.
I can't believe it's too wet.
It was too wet. It's hard to get the right blend. See, that
Okay,
one also
you know
was too
what?
wet.
So now we can use this for more sand. More sand.